Hello and welcome again to another DSPB review video. In this one I'm reviewing the Viltrox 85mm 1.8 on the Fuji X-T2. Once again, a huge thank you goes out to Viltrox for sending me this lens. If you want to see the unboxing, I've linked my unboxing video at the end of this one. So this is a sponsored content, but of course, like always, I will give you my honest opinion. But now let's go straight to the image quality of this Viltrox lens. This very affordable 85mm lens is characterized by its bright f1.8 maximum aperture, which excels in difficult lighting as well as benefits working with shallow depth of field techniques. The optical design comprises one extra low dispersion element along with 4 elements made from highly transparent glass. That aids in reducing chromatic and spherical aberrations in order to realize high clarity and sharpness. An HD nano multi-layer coating has also been applied to suppress flare and ghosting for improved contrast when working in strong lighting conditions. Additionally, the lens features an STM motor for quick, quiet autofocus performance. Sounds good? Yes, and it also looks very good. Like you can see, you get beautiful shallow depth of field or bokeh, like some people say. And also the sharpness from 1.8 is already very good. I haven't noticed any chromatic aberrations and also no strange flaring. This lens is very well controlled. In comparison to Fujinon lenses, I think this Viltrox lens really does an excellent job keeping up with Fuji's best lenses. But the only thing that could make this lens even better would be a little bit more micro contrast. But of course, that's nothing you couldn't fix later with editing. Saying that, there is one more thing that I miss on this lens, and that is optical image stabilization. Unfortunately, you don't get any OIS in this lens, so for a mid-telephoto lens it would be really better to have some stabilization. Good for you if you are a Fuji X-H1 user. Fuji, please give us IBIS on the X-T4. Like I already said in my unboxing video, the build quality of this Viltrox lens is excellent. Again, for that low price you get a very solid metal construction and even a metal mount with USB connection for firmware upgrades, which is great. The coating on this lens is water resistant to help protect the exposed surfaces from moisture. I couldn't find anything if the rest of this lens is also water resistant, but since it is a metal construction, I think it can handle quite a lot. Now, how good is the focus with the STM construction? It works already very good on the Fuji X-T2. It focuses fast enough for anything really, including street photography. But it isn't as snappy as Fuji's better lenses, which is a good thing for video, like you can see in the intro video I shot for this review. I have nothing to complain here. In fact, this lens is a lot better than I initially thought. The Viltrox 85mm 1.8 is a price quality hit. I can totally recommend this lens to anyone who wants to shoot portraits or street photos. If you have a camera with IBIS, you will enjoy this lens even more. So I can easily give this lens a rating of 8 out of 10. If Viltrox would make a second version of this with OIS, this would be a 9 out of 10. don't hold your mouse or smartphone like a schnitzel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.